It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 7th of December. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather noticeably colder, at least for the northern two-thirds of the state today, but we warm up in a big way later this week and a few showers along the way. The next significant rain event will most likely be on Saturday. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. The trough that brought the cold air late yesterday is lifted out. We now have a zonal flow, and the front is parallel to the flow down in South Alabama, so it's stalled out. Got a few showers south of the front on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, but Alabama is pretty quiet to start the day. That was the radar composite about 5 o'clock this morning. Pretty cold over the northern half of the state. Freezing this morning for Cullman and Haleyville. Birmingham at 37, but you can pick out that front down in southeast Alabama. South of that front, Dothan at 60. And the front will gradually work its way northward in coming days as a warm front. There's the watch warning map across the country this morning. Pretty quiet. A few scattered snow issues and some fog down in Florida. There could be some thunder today over the southern half of the state near that stalled front, but no severe weather expected. Pretty much the same thing tomorrow. And day 3, Thursday. Again, the chance of a few scattered storms across Alabama, but no severe storms, just scattered thunder and showers. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. A lot of rain for the upper half of the Pacific coast back in the northwest. For Alabama, for most places, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 3. Zonal flow. And a cool day today. A lot of clouds around with the stall front over South Alabama. And maybe a few scattered showers south of US 80. North Alabama should be dry today. A lot of clouds around, the high only in the low 50s, which is below average for this time of the year. Here's a look at the temperature anomalies. You can see that much of the eastern U.S. will be below average today. The west above average. This is tonight at midnight. Little wave on the front comes along, so we'll have a chance of showers statewide. For the northern half of the state, the better chance of showers should be after midnight. And then by tomorrow, the wave is on by, and we might see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow, a chance of showers during the morning, then the chance we'll see the sun tomorrow afternoon. We start to warm up. The high should be at or just over 60. This is Thursday. And again, upper 60s, a lot of clouds around, maybe some showers for the southern half of the state, but a decent chunk of the day Thursday will likely be dry. And then Friday, very mild. We're going to be way up in the 70s near record levels. And we will mention a chance of scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm in spots, but it won't rain all day. Look at the anomalies on Friday. The blowtorch cranking up out there across the heartland. And then this is Saturday as the weekend begins. A cold front comes in. And that's going to bring rain and storms. And so many things are happening outdoors. It's a little early to be really specific on the timing. But it looks like the rain could begin Saturday morning as early as maybe 5 or 6 o'clock. And at this point, the chance of really a big severe weather event looks fairly low, which is good. It's a positive tilt upper trough. The surface low is northeast of here, but no doubt there could be a few strong storms and maybe some heavy rain along the way. And this is Saturday night at midnight. The rain is ending. And once we get within 60 hours of this, we can be much more specific on the timing. But no doubt if you got something planned outdoors on Saturday or Saturday evening, just plan on rain and maybe lots of rain. And the high Saturday, 67 to 70, so fairly mild. And then Sunday, we're cooler and dry. The sky's sunny. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 50s, very seasonal. But the day should be sunny on Sunday. Monday, we're dry. The high, low 60s. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 14th. Big old 591 upper high sitting on the Gulf Coast, and we are mild and dry with highs in the 60s. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 16th of December. Again, ridging over the Gulf of Mexico, and again, we're dry. So much of next week at this point looking dry with highs mostly in the 60s. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 21st of December. And it's a roller coaster ride. High today around 50, but by Friday, mid-70s near record levels. 72 on Saturday. Then we cool down to 53 on Sunday. And again, next week, highs mostly in the 60s. And the latest CPC outlook for December 14th through the 20th. If you're looking for snow around here before Christmas, that doesn't look good, does it? A big upper high will likely bring above average temperatures to much of the contiguous United States. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.